border color, and the height will be, I will say, 50. Okay, now border width will be 1. Okay, now justify content center, and also align items will be center. Okay, now let's round the border, so border radius will be 20. Let's increase to 30. Okay, 30. Now it's fully round. Okay, now what we have to do is to like a style margin top will be 20. I will say let's check the design. Okay, yes, 20 is good. Now we need a image, so let's download the image from flat icon. Okay, so this is the image. I will copy it, free download. Now let's go to download, Google, and okay, now what we have to do, like inside the image, I will say require assets google.png. Okay, now let's just save it. Now go inside our button, and let's say flex direction will be raw, and let's take an image component. Now source, inside we have to we have to provide just image. Now give it a style, so the style will be like width of 50 and height of 50. Okay, so this is too much, like 30. I think 30 is good, and style the text and say it margin left will be 10. Okay, let's just increase the size of the text, so font size will be 18. Okay, and let's make it 25. Yep. Okay, now this all thing will be will be keep inside a touchable opacity. So what is a touchable opacity? I will show you. Touchable opacity means it have a on press, because this is a button. On press, I will say console.log and pressed. Okay, so touchable opacity is like this. As you can see, this is like a this behavior will come like a button. Okay, so this is our touchable opacity. Now as you can see, our component is ready. What we need to do is just copy this and paste it like 1 2 3 4 time over here. We will paste it like this, and we will do it. One more property is margin bottom of 10 or 15. Okay, so these things like the thing that we are doing over here, so these are called reusable components. We can reuse it, so we don't have to like for each button we don't have to like code again and again. These code will not be repeated again and again. So these are called reusable component. We can reuse it. So what I will do over here, we have sign in with Apple, so I will say it Apple, and sign in with Facebook, and we have sign in with one time with a one time link. Okay, so as you can see, all the things are changed accordingly. Okay, so these are reusable component. So this is done. Now what we have to do is to make this OR. So to make this or, we will come a view, we will say style, flex direction will be raw. So in this we need a view over here, two views to like two views of a line over here. You can see this line over here, and set this we have a text of or. And if I say like style it, I will style it like you will take flex of 0.4 and flex of 0.4 and flex of 0.2. So align items will be center. Okay, so we have our or, and margin top we will give 10. Okay, now what we have to do is to provide our view a line, a color over here. So we will say, we'll copy this light color, gray color. We will say background color will be this, and height will be 1. So as you can see, a small line over here, and I will copy the same thing over here. Let's just make our line a little darker. Okay, so for little darker I will use this. Okay, now inside of text we will say text align will be center, so it will come inside a center. So this is our or which is created. One more thing, that these colors should be inside our color component, this color. So I will say it gray 100. Okay, gray 100, and save it. Let's say colors dot gray 100, and in our sign in we have this. Okay, I think lighter should be first, so I will say gray 50. The lighter will be above. Okay, so let's come over here. I will say color dot gray 50. Color dot gray 50. Save it. Okay, so we have designed our or. Okay, now what we need to do is to come inside our design, and this is a email or phone and password. So we need these two input. Okay, so these are the same thing, so we will make this as a component. Okay, so let's make a component. So I will say component, create a file in input text component dot js dot .js. Okay, and React Native function, and let's just save it. And after this view we will say import input text component, and save it. And let's go over here, and so here we will need a text input. Okay, so a text input where user can put the text, and the placeholder will come from our prop outside the ph. I will call it ph. Okay, the placeholder. Okay, now let's just save it, and let's come over here. I will say ph will be what it is, email or phone. Okay, now you can see over here